Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is going to be a video showcasing both the flame and shock rework from the recent update. And sorry I haven't been uploading very recently. I'm going to try to upload a bit more again. And I'll try to upload as soon as Rel makes another leak. As soon as Rel leaks another part of the next update. Anyways, to the point of the video. Let's do the flame rework first. The first ability, it is much faster. It has much less hand signs. Second ability has a much larger AoE. Seems like it won't be hit, depending if the guy is like over there, and the guy you're fighting is over here. This one seems to be the same thing. Seems to have the same thing as this ability, where a guy would be there and then you would hit this guy over here. And I'm going to Yep, my theory is true. Now for the fourth ability. I'm not sure what it is. I think Ace used it in One Piece before. I know if this ability doesn't work like this. And then we have this ability. It deals a lot of damage. I'm not even max stats. And then we have this ability. It has animations now. And that's about it. Now let's do the lightning rework. The first ability, I'm going to check this and get it. See? Yep, it works exactly like the third third flame ability. It works like that. And you are able to move and control the thing. And yeah, this ability, it multi-hits. Yep. Now that ability is kind of like Tengoku third now. Then we have this ability. Not much has changed other than the effects. And then we have this ability, which now kind of works like the upgraded the upgraded Snake Sage rework. And then we have this stuff. It multi-hits now. And now for the final. There's a lightning strike before the dragon appears, and the dragon is far less visible, I guess. Anyways, that's about it. See ya.